Are you meticulous and detail-orientated? Do you love the idea of working with beautiful jewelry and gems? Do you enjoy doing research? If you have answered yes to these questions, then becoming a jewelry evaluator might be the ideal occupation for you. Jewelry evaluators appraise modern and antique jewelry and high-end watches. They create an in-depth report of the jewelry evaluated as well as a valuation certificate. This valuation certificate can be used by the owner to obtain insurance or to provide a record of a piece of jewelry in a collection. Many jewelry stores have evaluators on their staff or have a contract with a jewelry evaluator who provides a valuation service to their customers. Jewelry evaluators are highly skilled professionals who use special tools and instruments to examine items such as gold and diamond rings, necklaces, pendants, bracelets, and other jewelry pieces. Jewelry evaluators assess the value of the gemstones according to their carat weight, color, the clarity of the stones, and the quality of the cut. Once the jewelry evaluator has these details, the value of the jewelry can be estimated. The market price of the precious metal, as well as that of the gemstones, is checked. With this information, the jewelry evaluator writes a professional appraisal report for the client. If antique jewelry is being appraised, the jewelry evaluator may need to do research. In such a case, not only is the value of the stones and the precious metal significant, but where and when and sometimes who made the piece of jewelry. Research is a large part of the background work of a jewelry evaluator needs to do when appraising antique jewelry. After examining a piece of jewelry closely, the evaluator will then use references such as price lists, auction catalogs, and accredited online reference sources to formulate a market valuation. The appraiser then writes a report for the jewelry. This includes a detailed description, the size of the gemstones, and weight of the precious metals. A photograph of the piece may be included. Jewelry evaluators must be up to date with jewelry trends and prices. They may use online research and build their own libraries of reference books, auction catalogs, and price lists. They need to be methodical in their research when dealing with antique items. Jewelry evaluators who work for insurance firms and jewelry stores usually work regular business hours. Self-employed jewelry evaluators often work on contract for insurance companies, individual clients, and jewelers. There are no specific education requirements to becoming a jewelry evaluator. There are, however, some personal characteristics that are very important. The ability to pay close attention to the finest details is important. Patience in doing the necessary research for an accurate appraisal is vital. Excellent writing skills are required to create detailed reports. Honesty is a very important aspect of this occupation. Many evaluators start their careers working in the retail side of the jewelry trade. It is here that they build their experience by working with different kinds of jewelry. Often, jewelry evaluators are qualified goldsmiths or gemologists.